So I got all these palms, yeah, and I'm going to be using them to style my hair. You can also use them, see, I like using them like this. You can also use them as a wristband. I absolutely love it, so like that. I love the fact that if you look at it, that it's very stretchy. So it stretches out a lot. Don't be deceived that it looks small like this. You could take each of your braids and just put it at the end like this and see how stylish it looks on your hair. It's absolutely beautiful, absolutely cute. So you could wear it like this. This is also a cute one for all little girls, for braids, for whichever design you like. I love it. So you can go everywhere with it. So you can even pack it up like that. You see? So beautiful, so beautiful. See, you can put so many different colors in like that. So do you like it? I absolutely do.